Hello everyone, thanks for joining our group's midterm report presentation. Our project aims to study factors that influence bus delay in the Boston MBTA system. We use open public data from the MBTA Open Data Portal and Metalstat developers. We get bus schedule time, actual arrival time, and other related information from the former data source from 2023 to 2024, and we get corresponding weather-related information from the latter. Before we explain our data cleaning steps, let's take a look at the structure of our final datasets. The final table integrates the collection of 24 monthly tables from 2023 to 2024 and the collection of the 2-year weather table. Note that it's just an overview. The columns in the slide are to be processed. Let's move on to data processing of the bus table. We merge all MBTA bus tables, remove duplicates, convert timestamps, and extract delay and time-based features for later analysis. Afterwards, we keep only the key columns and save the clean table for modeling. Before merging, we first pre-process the weather data. We combine the 2023 and 2024 weather tables and remove unnecessary columns. We create hourly timestamps to match bus records later. Then, we keep and rename key columns like temperature, humidity, and assign labels to weather conditions to make the new table more readable. After that, in this part, we integrate the clean bus and weather tables. First, we convert the bus timestamps to the hourly level so that each record can match with the corresponding hourly weather data. Then, we join the two tables on matching hours. After merging, we remove duplicates and missing rows. Here is the final integrated dataset, which contains about 46 million rows and 22 variables.
Hi everyone, my name is Yinzhou, and now I did the data visualization part and logistic regression model. So I paired the MBTA bus arrival data with hourly weather to see when trips run late and build a quick baseline model, which is the regression model. Slide 1 shows the delay distribution. Most buses hug the zero line, but we have a long tail that stretches past 10 minutes, so there's something worth modeling. The chart on the slide 2 plots delay by hour using medians, so late night outliers don't dominate. The afternoon time when people get off work sticks out. It's the busiest and the most delay-prone window. Looking at the average delay by weekday, we can see that the buses delay more on weekdays instead of weekends. Looking at the weather, heavy rain sit at the top for average delay, while overcast stay around 1. That gave me confidence that weather is a meaningful signal. With those clues, I trained a logistic regression model. It standardized numeric columns, one-hot encodes categories, and evaluates on a stratified test split. The ROC curve and the matrix shows 0.65 accuracy, 0.69 ROC AUC, plus 0.72 precision, and 0.65 recall on the delay class. That means we catch most of true delays without too many false alarms, yet we still miss roughly 1/3 of them. Here are some key takeaways. Rush hour timing and harsher weather materially increase delays, and the logistic regression gives us an interpretable baseline. Next step to add the temporal aggregates, explore gradient boost trees to leave recall, and package this.
Our group also predict MBTA bus delays with random forest. The goal is simple: given schedule, weather, calendar features, predict whether an MBTA bus trip will be delayed or not. Features we used include service, date, hour of day, weekday and weekend flags, bus route metadata, holidays, temperature, weather features like precipitation, wind, and environmental variables like pressure. To keep iteration fast, I added a catching step. After the first full processing, we reload a process dataset from artifacts cache, so retraining doesn't redo heavy data prep. The label is binary, 1 if the delay exceeds 5 minutes, 0 otherwise, using 80% of data for training and 20% for testing. I chose random forest to capture nonlinear relationships and interactions without heavy feature engineering. The current configuration uses 200 trees, a maximum depth of 14, a minimum samples per leaf of 25 log2 feature, subsampling and 30% link per tree to reduce variance and training time on a 20 million row dataset. On our hardware, training took about 30 minutes. Our random forest model trained on 24 months of MBTA and weather data reached an overall accuracy of about 60%. It correctly identified around 63% of actual delays with an ROC-OK of 0.65 and PAR-OK of 0.46. Feature importance shows that hour precipitation and route ID are dominant drivers of delay, confirming that timing and weather are major influences. Next steps include adding rolling historical delay averages and optimizing thresholds to better balance precision and recall. That's the random forest component. Thanks for listening.